best Facebook automation tools.
First, scan the Facebook groups you want to share posts to by entering relevant keywords. Enter the number of groups you want to scrape. Select groups with a large number of members and without post moderation. Click Start to begin scanning. Once the scan is complete, download the data and copy the IDs of the groups you want to share posts to. Next, open the post sharing software and choose the Share Post to Groups feature. Paste all the group UIDs you copied into the software. Then, configure the Facebook accounts that will perform the sharing actions. Take the post ID of any post you want your accounts to share and paste it into the software. Enter the number of groups you want your accounts to share the post to. Save this configuration for future sharing sessions. Select the Facebook account category you want to use for sharing, then click Start. The software will automatically share the post to all selected groups according to your settings. After the process is complete, you can check the results in the Share History section. And here's the final outcome. Originally, this post had only 2 shares, but after using the software, it reached hundreds of group shares using just about 20 Facebook accounts. With this software, you can manage unlimited Facebook accounts participating in post-sharing campaigns. It helps your posts go viral rapidly, spreading at massive speed and reaching hundreds of thousands of people per day, saving you time and effort compared to manual work. All actions are simulated to behave like real user activity, so they do not violate any Facebook policies. If you'd like to purchase a license and start using this software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are in the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.